Welcome to a short tutorial about a simple way to do division calculations by hand. In this tutorial, we'll be giving 3 example calculations, and by the end of viewing those example calculations, it should be clear how to apply this simple system to do long division in a very simple way. The first example we'll be giving is 68 divided by 4. So each time we do one of these division calculations, we'll rewrite it. Like that. And now here's how the system works. We first ask ourselves, how many times does 4 go into the first digit of 68, which would be 6? How many times does 4 go into 6? It goes in 1 time with 2 left over, right, with a remainder of 2. So what I do is I put the 2 over here to turn this 8 into a 28. So now my next question is, how many times does 4 go into 28? And it goes in 7 times. So the answer to this question was 17. That's the final answer. Let's look at another example calculation. Maybe one that's a little bit harder, a bigger number. 2,870 divided by 7. So again, I will rewrite it. Same as before. Now first I ask myself, how many times does 7 go into the first digit of 2,870? Well, it can't. 7 can't fit into 2. So I look one place over. I'll ask, how many times does it go into 28, since it couldn't go into 2? Well, it goes in 4 times. Now, how many times does 7 go into the next digit, which is a 7? How many times does 7 go into 7? It goes in once, 1 time. And now, how many times does 7 go into the next digit, which is a 0? How many 7s fit into a 0? 0 of them do, right? 7 can't fit into 0. So the answer for that part would be 0. So what's 2,870 divided by 7? Well, we calculated that it's 410. Let's do one more example. Let's do 624 divided by 6. So again, I will rewrite it as usual. And I'll ask myself, how many times does 6 go into 6? 1 time. How many times does 6 go into 2? 0 times. With a remainder of 2. So 6 did not fit into 2, but it had 2 left over, right? So I put that remainder of 2. The answer was 0, remainder 2, so I put that 2 over here. So I convert this 4 into a 24. And how many times does 6 go into 24? It goes in 4 times. So what's 624 divided by 6? The answer is 104. I hope this was helpful. Now you hopefully have an easier way to do long division. If you did find it helpful, please consider clicking on the like button and consider subscribing to the channel.